Horses out of deep in the night. Past the begin, moving up party out. So now is Redemption. Running by the rail, Westerly Wind. Moving up party out. So opens loose, Scotland Yard. Totis Best, Mamika, and on the outside, right here, right now, Golden Ange, and well, is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, tip in the night by Araling Kanehapa. Moving up now to take second is Open Slew. Is Scotland Yard is racing in third. 3 lengths away in fourth, Mamika. And on the outside, Redemption, Totis Best. Golden Ange, Westerly Wind, well, and right here, right now, racing in last. They swing into the back. Tip in the night. She's 2.5 lengths in front of Open Slew. Is Scotland Yard is running by the third. Mamika in fourth. Moving up Redemption. And on the outside, Totis Best. Well. Golden Ange, Westerly Wind. Then right here, right now. And still Tip in the night by about 4 lengths. And in second, moving up, Open Slew, Scotland Yard. As they come down at the last 150. Tip in the night, still in front by about 3 lengths. Open Slew, Scotland Yard, Totis Best, right here, right now. Last 75 meters. And still Tip in the night. And finally, Tip in the night. Second is Scotland Yard. Right here, right now, Totis Best, Open Slew.
Ayun na.